The Hyatt Zilara is a luxury, all-inclusive, adults-only resort located in Cancun's hotel zone. The beach is beautiful and less crowded than some of the other areas of the hotel zone. All 307 rooms have an ocean view. All rooms also have balconies with hammocks, whirlpool tubs, rainfall showers, and complimentary daily restocked minibars. The resort also stands out above the crowd because it is, well, gorgeous. It has a Mexican colonial vibe, with massive pillars and archways throughout, plenty of marble tiling, wood beams accenting the ceilings, wrought iron details, and even a stained glass ceiling in part of the lobby. Renovations in 2014 and 2015 updated parts of the lobby with new furniture and walls, as well as the spa and gym. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun is located in the heart of the oceanfront hotel zone, next to family-friendly Panama Jack Resorts Cancun. It is a great spot for those who want a beautiful, half-empty beach. There is a shopping plaza next door with an Outback Steakhouse. But most eateries, shops, and tourist-oriented Cancun nightlife are a few minutes' drive to the north. Because there is so much on site, some guests never venture out at all. Buses and taxis can be found on the main avenue in front of the hotel, and guests can be downtown in about 20 minutes, or at the Cancun International Airport in 25 to 45 minutes, depending on traffic. The 307 rooms have a charming colonial style with plenty of earthy colors, natural stones, woodwork, including accent beams on the ceiling, and marble tile floors. A beachy blue and white color scheme comes through in blue cushioned chairs, ocean artwork, and white linens and walls. All suites have furnished balconies with hammocks and at least partial views of the ocean. Most rooms have excellent ocean views, though note that you can usually see your neighbors, a downside for those seeking privacy. Suites are divvied up into several categories. The quality of the views varies with each category and is mostly luck of the draw, so upgrading just for a better view may not be worth the extra outlay. Note that the ocean view rooms are in the center of the resort, and the oceanfront rooms are in the ends that jut out slightly further. The swim-up suites may be worth the splurge as long as you don't get assigned one right by the main pool. These can get noisy from the pool music. Expect to get a sales pitch for an upgrade at check-in. Standard amenities include fully stocked minibars and liquor dispensers, included and regularly replenished, bathrobes and slippers, a pillow menu, and coffee makers. On the tech front, there are flat-screen TVs with CD/DVD players, free Wi-Fi, and digital safes. Bathrooms have rainfall shower heads, hair dryers, swish toiletries, and hair straighteners on request. Upgraded rooms do get extra amenities such as Nespresso machines and reserved beach cabanas. Hyatt Zilara Cancun's huge freeform infinity pool is one of the main draws of the resort. There are a few bridges across it, and the beach restaurant and swim-up bar are located in the center, effectively bisecting the pool into two areas, one for activities and one for relaxation. It's surrounded by loungers and shady cabanas, but no umbrellas. Waiter service is available throughout the day, but only for beverages. It's usually very easy to find a lounger, but cabanas, the only option for shade, can sometimes get snagged early. There are more loungers and cabanas at the wide, spacious beach, which has fine white sand and turquoise water. The waves are often too rough for swimming, and some of the cabanas are reserved for guests in upgraded rooms. There's a slew of free daily activities at the Hyatt, ranging from beach and water sports to bicycle tours to culinary classes and tastings. There are quality evening performances on the lobby stage and events such as Mexican Night with arts and crafts vendors, themed food, and musical performances. The fully equipped, modern gym includes a Pilates studio and training sessions, plus an outdoor lap pool. Both the spa and gym were remodeled in 2014. The spa includes a full-service beauty salon, an extensive hydrotherapy circuit, eco-holistic treatments, and a Temescal sauna ceremony. It has stone floors with river rock accents, massive pillars, and plenty of marble and granite in a very dark and quiet space. The hotel also has over 6,800 square feet of event space, and multiple free wedding packages are available. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun has great food options, particularly for an all-inclusive resort. All meals, snacks, 24-hour room service, and top-shelf liquor at the several bars are part of the all-inclusive package. Note that some restaurants require dress codes, such as long pants and closed-toed shoes for men. Spice is the main buffet, serving international cuisine for all 3 meals, including show cooking stations such as pasta and taco station, grill for meat, and salad and ceviche bar, among plenty of other options. Maria Marie serves Mexican cuisine and tends to be a favorite. This is, after all, Mexico. Asiana is also extremely popular and has a teppanyaki cooking show, one of the only things that does require reservations. Pelicanos is the beach bar and serves Caribbean and seafood-oriented cuisine. La Adelita Cantina serves Caribbean and Mexican fare for dinner only. Tequila and mezcal cocktails and craft beer are also on offer. Chef's Plate is a set 7-course menu that changes daily. It must be reserved in advance and is only available to those in the premium suite level rooms. If you want to find more about other hotels, resorts, things to do, or other locations, feel free to go through our channel. We would appreciate it if you could leave us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.